In this video, we will explore how to make Instagram account private. So let's start. Open your Instagram account. So here I open my Instagram account in my laptop. So here I'm going to set the private this account. So just click on the more option. You can see here the left hand side have some option. The last option is a more. Just click on here in more option and select the first settings option, then click on here the account privacy option. In account privacy you can see the private account option. So when your account is a public, your profile and post can see by anyone on or off Instagram even if they don't have an Instagram account. So when your account is public, so anyone your see your post and profile photo of your Instagram. And when your account is a private, only the followers, so those you follow you approve, can see what you share, including your posts, photos or videos on hashtags and location pages, and your followers and following list. Certain info on your profile like your profile picture username is visible to everyone on and off Instagram. So this is a difference of public profile and private accounts. So private profile, so you can set the private account, so not everyone is show, everyone see your photos and profile of Instagram. So I set here the private. So switch to private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos, video. So this will not change who can message, tag, mentions. So these are the three, and click on the switch to private. So here you can see the account is set in private. Okay, so that's it. So this is a way you can set your Instagram account as a private. So hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.